Hello and welcome. This is going to be our homework help video for the homework titled Systems with Three Variables. Let's go ahead and do, I think we'll have time for all three of these if we do them quickly. Problem number one, we're asked to solve this either by elimination or substitution. So we got to look at it, see which one makes more sense. I think elimination makes a lot more sense for number one because I can already see some ways to get some zero pairs, especially with my A coefficients. But there's another thing that you should notice. Equation number two does not have a B value in it. If I eliminate the B value from equations 1 and 3, then I can use that manufactured equation in combination with equation number 2 to solve for A and C. So let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to go ahead and just copy equation 1 right below equation number 3. Negative 4A plus 5B plus 3C equals negative 14. Add them together, my B's will eliminate, and I'll be left with 2A plus 9C equals negative 37. Now with that equation and equation number 2, I've got a two-variable system with two equations, and I can solve for A and C. I'm just going to copy down equation exactly as it is, because you'll notice I've already got a zero pair with my C values. So 2A minus 9C equals 17. Add these together. This will give me a 4A. Those will cancel, and this will give me a negative 20. Divide by 4. I've got that A is equal to negative 5. Now it's time to find places to plug this in where I can calculate my other variables. I'm just going to plug it in right to this one here, and that's going to give me the equation 2 times negative 5 minus 9C equals 17, negative 10 minus 9C equals 17, plus 10 plus 10, negative 9C equals 27, divided by negative 9, divided by negative 9, C equals negative 3. Now that I've got two of my variables solved for, I can plug them both into an equation that has a B value and solve for B. I'll pick the top equation there. So negative 4A becomes negative 4 times negative 5 plus 5B. 5 look a little better. Plus 3 times C. I'm going to use negative 3 for C equals negative 14. I get 20 plus 5B minus 9 equals negative 14. 5B plus 11 equals negative 14. Minus 11 minus 11. 5B equals negative 25. Divide by 5, divide by 5. B equals negative 5. Now that I have all three, I can put them just alphabetically. Negative 5, separated by commas, negative 5, comma, negative 3. All right, let's go ahead and try the substitution method with number 2. Let's see what happens. Equation 2 is already solved for A, so I'm going to try to plug this in for A here. And then after that, I'm going to plug it in for A in the other equation to get a two-variable system with two equations. Well, let's just see what happens after I do that first substitution. 2 times 2B minus 6 minus 4B equals 12. 4B minus 12 minus 4B equals 12. These cancel out. I'm left with negative 12 equals 12. That's a false statement. So if this is false, what must be happening here is that these two equations must be parallel, in which case we have no solution. Doesn't matter that there might be some solutions where two of these intersect. You got to get where all three intersect. So number 2 has no solution. Let's look at number 3 on the back. Solve by any method. So I can kind of look and see which is going to be the easiest. Equation 3 already has a y eliminated, so I'm just going to use elimination on the first two to get rid of y. I'm just going to copy them with some space over here. The y's already are forming a zero pair. So I can get rid of my y's pretty easily. And I get 2x when I add those. Those cancel, plus 6z equals, I'm going to do this one on calculator, 17 minus 35, negative 18. So that and this last equation create a two-variable, two-equation system. You can use a variety of methods to solve. I'm just going to go ahead and just divide everything by 2, make my life easier. X plus 3z equals negative 9. I'm going to move the 3z over. X equals negative 3z minus 9. Substitute this in for x right there. 3 times negative 3z minus 9 minus 2z equals 17. Negative 9z minus 27 minus 2z equals 17. Negative 11z, add 27 to both sides, equals 44. Divide by negative 11, divide by negative 11. Z equals negative 4. We got one of our values. We can now quickly find our other ones. We'll plug it right in. Here's a good spot. X equals negative 3 times negative 4 minus 9. X equals 12 minus 9. X equals 3. Plug both of those into maybe my top equation. 7 times 3 plus 7 times y minus 4 equals 17. 21 plus 7y minus 4 equals 17. 17 plus 7y equals 17. Minus 17 minus 17. 7y equals 0. Divide by 7, divide by 7. Y equals 0. As an ordered pair, that would be 3, 0, negative 4. Just check our answers. Yep. All right, that's that for this video. Hopefully that helps. Have a good rest of your day.